Is it time to be swooping in, especially since it does seem to have already been oversold? And is this all sentiment driven? To what extent are markets already digested the hawkishness of the Fed? Why is there still so much uncertainty when it's pretty clear already that the Fed has released their statements? Why is there still so much cause for concern?
I believe the uncertainty lies as to how much the Federal Reserve is going to go, or up to how high they're going to raise their policy rates. I think that's where the uncertainties lie. If the Federal Reserve will, if the Federal Reserve will continue, I mean, for the near term, they still have a very hawkish stance. But the question is, up to next year, is this still going to be the stance of the Federal Reserve? If so, then we could expect more downward pressure on the local currency, which I have mentioned a while ago has negative implications on the local economy. There's this big possibility that the BSP will also continue on raising policy rates. And if it rates policy rates too, then there's the possibility that it could slow down our economic growth. So I believe that's what investors are contending with right now. As to bargain hunting, well, if you're going to look at the market, it's price to earnings wise, it's already undervalued. It's trading at a PE ratio of around 15.30 to 15.40 times. So this is way below its 5-year average of about 20 times. So it's really undervalued. So yes, we could do accumulation, but my advice is let's be cautious. If you want to make the most out of it, better watch out, for buying signals. Now's not the time to be aggressive, given that the market, as we've seen, is still in bear territory.
Bear market yesterday, we seem to be bouncing back. Okay, not
quite.
Again, not quite. It's been pretty shaky the first 30 minutes of trade. But tell us, what does this tell you? The breaking of this 6,000 psychological level. Is there a chance that bargain hunters will swoop in and that will hold, or are we bracing for a lower support level this time?
Well, based on our outlook for the market, we are seeing a bearish bias moving forward. And this is because, first and foremost, the market has already entered bear market territory, so below the 6,041 bear market line. And at the same time, as you've mentioned, it has breached below the support range of 6,000 to 6,100. Right now, we are seeing a technical bounce from the local bourse, supported by the positive spillovers from Wall Street. However, over the medium term, as mentioned, we're still seeing a bearish bias due to a confluence of headwinds. Of course, first and foremost, you still have the peso's depreciation, which may likely continue given the hawkish outlook of the Federal Reserve, plus the possible further ballooning of our balance of payment deficit. And then you have food inflation risk due to the impact of the recent typhoon. And of course, we are also dealing with the recession worries abroad. So we just have a lot of a lot of headwinds right now, which is causing the market to which is giving this bearish outlook for the market. As for support levels, the next one that we see, which the market could touch, is 5,700.